I am R.L. Bandyopadhyay, Honorary Secretary, Bihar State Branch, and also Central Council member of IPA. And this is the third time that our branch received the Best Branch Award to 21, 22, and 2024. Actually, we are promoting the causes of the pharmacists, particularly those engaged in hospital and other division, and we raise regularly with the government about the problems of pharmacists and how to solve their solutions. And for this achievement, we are continuing regularly receiving award from our Indian Pharmaceutical Association. This year IPC is very big success and a large number of participants from students and industry participated and hope now pharmacy professional will grow day by day. Thanks.